Hey traders, Tuesday, December 27th, 7:18 a.m. Here are your morning ideas. Hey, what's up, gang? Back in the saddle here. Took the week off for Christmas. There will be some days too coming up where we won't do morning ideas. We are heading out to Arizona for the Barstool Arizona Bowl. We have a lot of traders going out there, so I may or may not be able to make the morning ideas. Definitely not with the video. Maybe some. I'll post on YouTube with just the charts, but. Let's take a look at what we have since we haven't been here for a while. I'm looking. This is the daily picture of the basically the entire year here. You can see 2022. You can see we're down. About 20, more or less 20% on the year, I believe. And the majority of the trading since May has been done here. What I can see in between these areas. I mean, you probably include this. It doesn't really change anything. 39.65 is this area here where we've traded the most this year. And it's actually pretty nicely balanced for such a long period of time. Let me erase that stuff. And what that 39.65 tells me is that, that's the price where the market will be pulled towards. Okay. We have a couple of days left in the trading year. And since we're down, I just made a post about the Santa Claus rally. But how I think the Santa Claus rally and all of that seasonality depends on where we are in the year compared to where we started. When we're down, I think there's more probability for dumping into the end of the year. To think of it as like there's a low price to start next year, and then next year can be really good. So I don't see a whole lot of upside potential here. I see a bit more chop probably into the end of the year. We're trading, with 39.65, the next area above where I think that we could hit. If I look at this, you'll see that this looks a little bit different. We're rolling out some new stuff. So this is a daily over here, just so I can see the average true range over here, about 81 points a day. And then over here, we got our 4 hour, our trusty 4 hour. So if I pull up the 4 hour, you can see that we've gapped up a little bit overnight because we hadn't traded since Christmas. But we had this, remember we talked about this area where it was bottom heavy and we were likely to go lower, right? So we went lower, and we could draw out some more profiles from below to see. I know we were looking at 38.95, and the market kind of sliced right through that, and is now down into this area here that we were in previously as well. Now, what does this mean for today? I still think that we still have quite a bit of resistance in the 39.30 area above. If you wanted to build out a smaller profile for what we've done since we've gone out, you could do that. You could also see it's like perfectly balanced with 38.60 volume point of control. We're trading above the value high here, which is this yellow area. And what this means is we'll either push towards 39.30. And again, this is likely, it's not definite. Likely to push towards 39.30 as the next area above. See what happens. If we can push through that, we start to eat through this volume as we try to walk up into that area that I talked about, 39.65. 39.65 is basically the volume point of control since May. Okay, May, and now here we are at the end of December. 39.61 is this big volume point of control for basically the last month and a half. So I do believe that the market will be pulled towards that. However, I think that there is a possibility too that we get some of this. The market's open for the first time since Friday today. We'll get possibly some dumping into the new year, right? So again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, just the market struggling to hold on to higher prices and seeing some selling pressure. So those are the things to look out for today. I think that the lower target 38.25 is what I would be looking at. The upper target 39.60 area. And if we get up into 39.60, I think we'll just chop there until the end of the year and kind of close right on those prices that we've traded so much, and the market is comfortable there. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We're going to be rolling out this community most likely today. We rolled out the Tradeovate, TradingView, CQG integration last week. I hope you guys have seen that. If you haven't, go back and watch that video. We got a lot of stuff going on here. In the first of those things is the Arizona Bowl coming up. We're heading out there tomorrow. Okay, guys. So may not be, again, some morning ideas the next couple days. We will definitely be back in the saddle next week, and we'll see you guys there.